Hey guys, I want to welcome you to another wonderful recipe here on the channel. Today we are making, I call this beef, carrot, cilantro soup, okay? Cilantro is the same as coriander, okay? So you can choose to use beef or not, okay? So the ingredients that I didn't mention, which was the potatoes and the beef, are optional. I just decided to add potatoes to make it a little more heavier, and you can use chicken, whatever you want. If you decide not to use any protein at all, please use a stock, vegetable stock, preferably, to replace the water. Okay, so this is a really wonderful recipe. You just watch it, it is self-explanatory. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider joining the family, as you would be able to see wonderful recipes you could try by yourself here on the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Please do want to finish the video, and I'll see you. Bye bye. I'm out.
Up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There will be new ways. This is not